Exercise number 4.3. Question number 2. Construct the quadrilateral PLAN. PL length is 4 cm. LA length is 6.5 cm. Angle P is 90 degree. Angle A is 110 degree. Angle N is 85 degree. Here these two are the adjacent sides of the quadrilateral PLAN and three angles are given. Two adjacent sides and three angles are given. Now we are going to learn how to construct the quadrilateral PLAN. Let me take PL is equal to 4 cm. So the length of the line segment PL equal to 4 cm. We are drawing now PL is equal to 4 cm. 4 cm line segment we are drawing. 4 cm line segment. Draw a line segment. PL is equal to 4 cm. So this point is P and this point is L. 4 cm line segment. After drawing the line segment, whenever you have in the question angles are given, after the base line we have to go to angles only. So since the line segment is PL line segment, on the line segment PL you can construct angle P or angle L. Angle L is not there in the question, so you can construct angle P is equal to 90 degree with the help of protractor. At P you have to place the protractor middle point, protractor center point at P, and the 0 line of the protractor has to coincide with the PL line segment. At P 90 degree we are going to construct with the help of protractor 90 degree. So exactly 90 degree is here, 90 degree point. After that take the scale and join it. Since you are drawing the ray, you can extend also. You can extend it. Give the name as PX ray. PX ray. PX ray such that angle LPX is equals to 90 degree. Angle P is over. Now we can construct on this line angle L you can construct. But angle L is not there in the question. So for that what you need to do, we have to apply angle sum property of quadrilaterals. To know angle L, we are depending upon angle sum property of quadrilateral. The angle sum property of quadrilateral will tell us that sum of the four interior angles of a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. Here it is the quadrilateral PLAN. So all the four angles sum is equal to 360 degree. Angle P plus angle A plus angle N plus angle L equal to 360 degree. Angle P value is 90 degree. Angle A value is 110 degree. Angle N value is 85. Angle L you don't know, so that is why angle L only you have to write is equal to 360 degree. 110 plus 90 is 200 plus 85, 285 degree plus angle L equal to 360 degree. If you transpose plus 285 to RHS, it will become as minus 285. Out of 360 you are subtracting 285. Then you will get angle L value 75 degree. This angle L equal to 75 degree you have to construct now by using protractor. Let us take the protractor and adjust the protractor on the line segment, the 0 line of the protractor on the line segment PL, and the center point of the protractor must coincide with point L because you are constructing angle L is equal to 75 degree. After the adjustment of the protractor, you have to see 75 degree where it is there. Since 75 degree is acute angle, so less than 90, left side of 90, 75 degree. 70 and 80 in between, exactly middle point will be 75 degree. In between 70 and 80, 75 degree. After that, you have to join this L point and this point. Since you are drawing a ray, you have to extend it. Extension also to be done. Give the ray name as LY ray. We are drawing LY ray. At L you are constructing 75 degree. So angle PLY is equal to 75 degree. Now in the question you have LA line segment length is 6.5 centimeter. Length of the line segment LA equal to 6.5 centimeter. So by using compass you have to take 6.5 centimeter. Take the compass and measure 6.5 centimeter on the compass. 6.5. So we are taking 6.5 centimeter radius by using compass. So which one is 6.5 centimeter? LA length is 6.5 centimeter. So LA, L point you know, A point you don't know. So you have to place the pointer of the compass at L, taking L as center and 6.5 centimeter as radius. The distance between pointer of the compass to the pencil sharp edge is known as the radius. So how much radius we have selected here? 6.5 centimeter. So taking L as center and 6.5 centimeter as radius, we have to draw an arc. So this arc is intersecting LY ray at one point. Say this point as, since we are drawing LA line segment, so this point as A. So LA length is 6.5 centimeter. If you wanted to check, you can check with the help of scale also. LA exactly it will be, LA length will be 6.5 centimeter. You can write it is 6.5 centimeter. Now here you have constructed LA equal to 6.5 centimeter. Now angle A equal to 110 degree, angle N is equal to 85 degree. If you wanted to construct angle A point you must know, A point you got it. So since angle A equal to 110 degree, at A you have to construct 110 degree with the help of protractor. To construct angle A equal to 110 degree, we have to take the help of protractor. So adjust the protractor on the line segment LA at A center point of the protractor. Then adjust the 0 line of the protractor with the LA line segment. Then you have to search for 110 degree. And here 110 is there. So here, where is that point? Here it will be located. So locate the point 110. After locating 110 degree with the help of protractor, you have to draw a ray from A. You have to draw a ray from A. Give the name as AZ ray, such that angle LAZ is equals to 110 degree. 110 degree. Now this ray AZ is intersecting PX ray at one point. This point you assume it as N. PLAN, quadrilateral constructed. This is our required quadrilateral PLAN with the given measurements. PL is 4 cm, LA is equal to 6.5 cm, angle P 90 degree, angle A 110, angle N will be 85 degree. Here we did not construct a 85 degree, but from this you can check it whether your diagram is correct or not. Angle at N 85 degree it has to be there. So adjust the protractor, then you check whether it is 85 degree or not. After the adjustment, this is exactly 80 and 19 between 85 degree. Here at N the angle will be 85 degree. This is our required quadrilateral PLAN.